All right, ladies and gentlemen, did you guys enjoy your experiment today?
Yeah!
Yes, we learned how what? We learned how earthquakes, wind, and rain change the Earth's surface quickly. Now, I need a volunteer to come up here and tell me what they saw today about earthquakes and how the earthquake changed the surface. Purple shirt right here. What's your name? Purple shirt. Kyla, come on up here, Kyla. Kyla, come stand next to Professor Proton. Come here. Talk to the camera and tell them, come real close up here. Tell them what happened today in the earthquake experiment. Tell them. Talk to right there.
Well, when we start to shake the table, the earth starts to move while the sand starts to move. And it starts to shake and it changed quickly.
And it changed quickly. Very good. Nice answer, Kyla. Give it up for Kyla, everybody. Nice job. Now, who can tell me what happened during the wind, during the storm? During the storm. Let's go with... someone I haven't really called on today. Let's go with Kyla B back there. We have Kyla, and here's another Kyla right here. I remember you, Kyla B. Come up here and talk to the audience over here. Tell them what happened during the wind. What happened during the wind? Real nice and loud. No, the wind part. Tell them about the wind part. Real loud with the wind. Like you're yelling. Talk that loud.
We put goggles on and we blowed the wind, and then the sand went down to the container and then went fast, like kind of fast.
Yeah, did the sand just go all over the place?
Yeah.
And that's what would happen, right? The earth changed what? Quickly, right? Did it change quickly?
Yeah.
Very good. Give it up for Kyla. Nice job. Very nice. And now for the last one. What happened when there was tons of rain? Let's choose a boy. Let's choose a boy I haven't chose yet. This guy right here in the... Dude, you're sitting right in front of the camera. Right around. Go ahead, scoot it that way for me. That's okay. Alright. Let's give it up for Kyla, everybody. Now, what happened when we all had rain and there was that big flood? Who can tell me? Give me a boy. Give me a boy I haven't picked yet. A boy, a boy, a boy. Give me... Let's go with this guy right here. What's your name?
Oscar.
Oscar! Alright, Oscar. Look right here at the camera real loud. What happened when that big wave hit the sand? What happened?
It flooded.
It flooded. What happened to all the sand? Where did it go?
Down.
It went down. Now imagine this, Oscar. Imagine you live next to a mountain of sand, okay? And there's tons of rain just pouring down all over you, okay? And the sand starts to go all over. What would happen to your house?
It would flood.
It would flood in your house. It would go all over, right?
Yeah.
Do you see how the earth changes quickly? All right, good job. Give it over Oscar, everybody. Give it over Oscar. All right, so here's what we're going to do to finish our experiment. All scientists do what? All scientists have what? Science notebook. Science notebook. Here's Professor Proton's science notebook. And in your science notebook, we are going to write about today about our guided inquiry, our experiment. We're going to write about what happened. What did you see during the earthquake? What did you see during the heavy rain? What did you see during the windstorm? You are going to take your science notebook, and you are going to write all about that. Everyone understand what they're doing? While you're writing, Professor Proton is going to come around. He's going to do some videos. He's going to watch you do some writing so everybody on YouTube can see how awesome scientists you are. Are you awesome scientists? Yeah! All right, please get started. Here we go. All right, so what are you doing, young man?
Writing about the wind experiment.
Did you enjoy that? Mm-hmm. Did you see how the wind can hit the earth and make it change quickly?
Yeah.
Awesome job. This guy right here, he is an awesome scientist. All right, let's go find somebody else. What are you doing, young lady?
I'm writing in my journal.
You're writing in your journey, a science notebook. Now, when you did the experiment today, Courtney, what did you think about the earthquake? Was that fun?
Yeah.
What happened to your table? Was your table gone?
Yeah.
You made your table shake all the way over there, didn't you? This lady right here, she was an earthquake champion, I tell you. Great job, give me 5. All right, good job. Ethan, what is going on in your picture right here?
There's a hole going on the sand, and it's going into the little
Tray down here?
Yeah.
Now, what would make the sand really blow like that in real life? Wind. And where would the wind come from? What kind of storms would give you wind? Thunderstorms and what? What are those ones that spin real fast? Hurricanes, and what's the other one that spins real fast? and tornadoes. Great job, Ethan. Look at the camera real fast. Do you love science, Ethan? Yes, very nice job, all right. Well, that's all the time we have today in Professor Proton's lab, all right? We had a great time today in our Chapter 7 learning about how earthquakes and wind and rain can change the earth quickly. Now, Mr. GURGANUS' class, they are some great scientists. I love coming here, and I hope they love me coming here. And that's all the time I got. Until next time, remember, you'll never make a discovery if you're afraid to make a mistake. All right, until next time, Mr. G's class, what do you have to say?